Welcome back, snackers. Ever wonder why some people seem to hit a wall in their careers? That's the Peter Principle in action, a law of the corporate jungle that often goes unnoticed. It says that in a hierarchy, people rise to their level of incompetence. Yep, it's as brutal as it sounds. This principle isn't about raining on your parade. It's about understanding that just because you're a superstar in one role doesn't mean you'll be a maestro in the next. It's a call to know your strengths and play to them, and to recognize when you're in the sweet spot of your abilities. So, how do you beat the Peter Principle? Start by getting real with yourself. What are you good at? What lights your fire? Then aim for roles that let those talents shine. It's about finding your niche, where you're not just competent, but you're a king. Think of it like being a big fish in the small pond. You want to be swimming with confidence, not flopping around gasping for air. So as you climb that ladder, snackers, make sure each rung is where you can stand tall, not teeter. Know your strengths, own your space, and let your talents do the talking. Don't miss the next law. Follow me.